Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zelle notification settings safely, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Zelle notification settings safely, first, open the Zelle app on your device. You will be greeted by the home screen. Look for the settings icon, typically located in the upper right corner. Tap on the settings icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the notifications option. Tap on Notifications to view your notification settings. You will see options for transaction notifications, payment requests, and more. Toggle the switches to enable or disable notifications as per your preference. For added safety, make sure your mobile number and email address are correct. Next, check your device's notification settings. Go to your device's main settings and locate Apps or Application Manager. Find Zelle in the list of installed apps and select it. Make sure notifications are enabled for the Zelle app in your device settings. Return to the Zelle app to ensure your changes have been saved. Review any additional security settings within the Zelle app. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you're satisfied with your notification settings, exit the settings menu. Your Zelle notification settings are now configured safely. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with staying updated on your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.